And ayan pala guys, oh, nasa labas kami kanina. Binigay ito sa akin ni Mike. Sabi niya, Happy Mother's Day. Pinitasan niya dun sa ano guys, front yard. Welcome back sa ating channel. So today is Sabado and it's currently anong oras na guys? It's currently 2:18 na ng hapon and late na naman kaming gumising today. Still very sad sa bahay na to guys, and naisipan namin na walang mangyayari pag nagmukmuk lang kami. So ngayon, it's raining outside. Tingnan nyo. Oh, it's been raining outside. Tingnan nyo. Very wet sa labas. But we decided na aalis muna. Ito yung suot natin today, guys. So, naka-tracksuit pants lang tayo. Ayan, very comfy. Lazy Saturday lang. Ayan. Pupunta pala kami, pipick upin namin yung puto bulanghoy namin ngayon. Kasi, luto na daw siya mga 3 o'clock. So, doon kami pupunta. Andito na sila, guys. Oh. Careful, anak! Ayan, si Paris kumakain na naman ng ice. Pero at least may grape siya sa gilid. Ayan. Ita, nak? Huy! Ita, one? Ayan yung suot ni Paris today, guys. Oh. Oh, diba? Oh, are you warm, baby? Here, nara, oh. And, ayan si Mike. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Ay, buang ka. Yan na si Paris. Oh. Ooh, very wet. Anak. Anak, tugnaw kay nak. Nagkauna kag ice drop, nak. Shh. Uy. Maragid enta na yung kinabuhi ice drop. Ginoo. Aren't you cold, nak? Hmm? Go in. Ayan nyo guys, oh. Very green dito sa lugar namin. Oh no, nag-hail siya guys. Maliliit na ice ba? Ayan guys, oh, na-pick up na namin guys. Dalawa na naman yung binili ko. Kasi, yung isang ganito, isang tab, 5 yung laman. Tapos, anong lang guys, ilang minutes lang guys, naubos ko na. Naubos ko na, kaya dalawa yung binili ko. Ayan, it will take me, 2 hours to eat this. Grabe. Dito kami sa labas ng Bunnings. Kasi, may titingnan daw si Mike sa Bunnings guys. And kinakain na namin yung puto. Kinain na naman. Tulog pa pala si Paris kaya hindi kami makalabas.
Do you want to leave the car on?
Huh?
You leave the car on, Paris?
Alam niyo guys, nasa Pilipinas na sana kami ngayon. Kasi 9th of May. Pero I'm very happy na hindi talaga natuloy guys. Kasi kung natuloy kami and yun yung nangyari sa lolo ni Mike, kawawa naman si Mike guys. Si Daddy was supposed to be in the Philippines right now. Like Paris and I.
I'm very happy that you're not.
Yeah, kawawa naman talaga si Mike guys, no? Pag nandun na kami ba, tapos alam ko hindi naman talaga namin ma-enjoy ni Paris yung stay namin doon. Well, hindi ko ma-enjoy yung stay ko doon kung alam ko namang nandito si Mike na nasasaktan and very sad. Kaya, yeah. God really knows, right? Before natin pinano lahat, pinano na ni Jesus yung mga mangyayari. Kaya, His plans is better than ours.
5:80 to 6:30.
Itong isa guys, naghahanap ng bahay. Marami yata to siyang pera.
Glen Waverley.
Nagtitingin-tingin siya ng mga bahay, guys. So nice one na niya. Are you gonna buy Mama a house, Daddy?
Look at our yard.
Are you gonna buy me a house?
Mm.
Oh, done, Daddy.
We are gonna buy us a house. We are gonna buy Paris a house. Is the more correct terminology.
Ayan guys, ubos na yung isa guys. Bilis-bilis lang. I-open na naman natin yung isa. Sobrang sarap kasi guys, kasi very fresh pa siya. Kakalabas pa lang daw sa steamer, kaya ayan, tapos ng isa. Next one. Dito kami sa Bunnings guys. Ayan, kakalabas na namin kasi kakagising lang ni Paris ni Ko Mackenzie. Ayan sila guys. Oh. Yung chair na yan guys. Oh, $7.98 lang.
What's that big girl doing?
What are you looking for, Daddy?
Come on, Bob.
What are you looking for?
Love.
Did you hurt Daddy, Nak? Oh,
Ow! That hurts.
that hurt Daddy, Nak.
Evil.
It's a boo-boo.
You demon.
Boo-boo.
A boo-boo.
You demon.
A boo-boo. A boo-boo.
A demon.
What's this one?
And the Marco.
Flamingo. Tanawa yung bit-bit guys, oh. Paspas. Daspan, no paspas niya. So it's a flamingo, isn't it? Should get this one ako. Say hi.
Baby, Marshall.
Yeah. Say hi to the baby.
Baby,
Oh.
Marshall.
Kawawa si Paris talaga guys. Gusto niya talagang makapaglaro na ba? Yun, oh, may baby dun, oh. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come this way. Where's Daddy?
You like this one?
Which one? Nah, I don't like that.
This one?
Oh, that's very similar to ours. Yeah, that's nice. How much we? $200.
This.
Oh,
Come.
Yeah, this one is nice too.
This?
Nah, not this one. I don't like this. Ooh, the smell there. Very strong. Akala niya toys, guys, oh.
a baby get.
Baby, get. Do you want one? Careful. It's a cloth manak for cleaning. Do you want that?
Are you gonna look at the heaters up or just gonna...
Yeah, come here. So we're looking
Shall
at
I try?
heaters, guys. Huh? Yeah, you should.
So this, yeah? You like Paris?
Yeah,
Have a
okay.
look at the heaters.
Okay. Come here, honey. Oh, do you want to put it back? Mama, put it back there. Come on now. Where's Daddy going? Daddy! So I have been telling Mike na I want a heater, guys, kasi super cold na ngayon. Tapos yung heater namin sa bahay is nasa lounge room lang. So the bedrooms, it doesn't have any heater. Tingin-tingin lang. This one is not bad actually. Oh, this one will do. $69. Ah, careful, anak.
Oh, bubble. No, a Marshall. Bubble.
So guys, naka-uwi na kami and open ko lang ito para kay Paris. Woo! Wow! Woo! And ayan pala guys, oh, nasa labas kami kanina. Binigay ito sa akin ni Mike. Sabi niya, Happy Mother's Day. Pinitasan niya dun sa ano guys, front yard. Ayan, oh, diba? Rosalinda. So, may nabili si Mike na yung parang rubber mat para sa gym niya. And then, he also bought this, ano ito? Silicone. Yung camera natin kanina, so hindi ko natuloy yung pag-show ko sa inyo ng napamili namin sa Bunnings. So, I will continue now, guys. Ito pala yung next na binili ni Mike. Ayan, o. Kasi luma na yung sa amin. Tapos, bumili si Mike nito since, ano lang daw, $2.50 lang daw to. And the next one na binili niya, guys, is this electric fireplace heater na anong brand to? Euromatic. Ayan. So, ito yung binili niya, guys, kasi sabi niya, regalo daw niya sa Mother's Day para sa akin. Iba na talaga, guys, pag mag-asawa na kayo. Kasi, di ba, pag girlfriend-boyfriend lang kayo, iba yung, klase ng regalo na binibigay. Actually, nung boyfriend-girlfriend pa kami ni Mike, birthday ko, siya yung bumili nito. Yung vanity mirror ko yan, yung mga lighting. Siya yung bumili niyan. And now, na kami na talaga. Ito na ang pangregalo ngayon. Guys, heater na. For the family na siya. Hindi na lang siya para sa'yo. Kasi, sinasabi ko sa kanya before na gusto kong mag-film ng try-on haul ng mga damit. Ngayon, kasi it's getting really cold na, guys. Hindi ako nakakapag-film kasi sobrang ginaw yung mag-change ako ng damit para ipakita sa videos ko. It gets really cold sa room na to, guys. And since walang heater dito sa room, sa lounge room lang meron, kaya binilhan niya ako nito, guys. Para makapag-film na tayo. Sir, stay tuned sa mga try-on haul natin, guys. Kasi since meron na tayong heater, hindi na tayo giginawin ng ating intil dito sa loob ng room. Pwede na natin gamitin to. So, yeah. Before natin i-close yung vlog natin, gusto kong mag-shoutout sa mga subscribers natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa atin at nagko-comment sa ating mga videos. Shoutout to Amelita Zayas. Hello. Evelyn Espitia. Cherry Ongmong. J. Hearts. Jackie Becerra. April Rose Romero. Maricel and Alex UK Vlog. Clarabel Magallon Official. Richard Antiga. Odessa Donghil. Sheng Balusan. It's Jonah Girl. Manuel Sambaan. Pinoy Oz TV. Christine Joy Tabak. Lohan Pasadas. Pinay Life in Australia. My friend Eileen Calib. Hello, Day. Cindy Tan. Janet Gordon. Diane Justin Kiazon. And Kate Fernandez. Sa hindi pa pala nakapag-join sa ating giveaway, guys, make sure na i-check nyo yung link below. Ilalagay ko sa description box below para ma-check out nyo. I am very overwhelmed sa response na natanggap ko, guys, galing sa inyo. I'm really, really happy. And kung hindi pa kayo naka-join, make sure na mag-join kayo, guys, kasi hanggang Monday lang yung giveaway natin. Give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!